Good morning, my dear friends. My name is Envir Kashyap, and this video is the second part of nutrition in plants and animals. So, what is water and minerals? Water and minerals absorbed by the plants are absorbed by the plant through xylem. Now, everyone knows what water is, everyone knows what mineral is. Okay, so water and minerals. How do plants absorb them? They absorb them through xylem, and they just transport the water and minerals through phloem. Okay. Mm, and xylem are like which run like pipes throughout the root. Xylem vessels which run like pipes throughout the root, the system, the stem, the branches, and the leaves. They form a continuous path or passage for the water and nutrients to reach the leaves. Okay, they just go like throughout all the plant. Like these are the stems. This is also the stem. This is the no. This is the branch. These are the branches, and this is the stem. Okay, these sides are the branches, and this is the stem. They form a continuous path or a passage for the water and nutrients to reach the leaves. The path they form does not have any blockage. Okay. Sunlight. Solar radiation is the major source of energy for photosynthesis, and mostly for solar energy as well. Okay, solar panels, they absorb energy from the solar sunlight, solar radiation. Okay, photosynthesis is also affected by the quality of light. Okay, to show that sunlight is essential for photosynthesis, we have an example. Okay, so what should we do? First, we take a plant which has been kept in the sunlight for about 1 or 2 days. Take the plant and then just take the plant and then partially cover a part of the leaf. Take a leaf, just choose a leaf, don't pluck it, just choose a leaf, cover a part of that leaf with black paper. Mm, and then after when with black paper or tape. Okay, and when it is done, what you could do, what you have to do is you have to follow the same process which we did to test starch in the leaf. Okay, we have to boil it in water, then boil it in alcohol, and then we have to wash the leaf, and then we have to wash the leaf in cold water. Okay, and after the washing the leaf in cold water, we have to drop iodine solution on it. After dropping the iodine solution on the leaf, the part which was not covered becomes blue black, and which is not which is covered does not turn any does not change its color. Okay, the range of photosynthetically active radiation lies between 400 nm, and maximum photosynthesis occurs in blue, violet, and red regions of the light spectrum, and minimum photosynthesis occurs in green wavelength. Okay, so the colors have a different wavelength. For example, the white light has 7 different colors. 7 different colors. Okay, red, blue, red, orange, yellow, green, dark green, blue, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Okay, and blue to indigo is blue to violet is the line between blue to violet. Every color which comes between blue to violet, and then red to and the red regions of the light spectrum, only the red regions. Maximum photosynthesis occurs in that only, and the least amount of photosynthesis occurs in the green one. Okay, the green wavelength. Every color light has its own wavelength. For example, green has a wavelength like this. Red has a wavelength like this. Then blue has a wavelength like this. Okay, so it just goes, every different color has a different wavelength. Okay, now starch is formed during photosynthesis in presence of sunlight. Everyone knows that. Okay, Now there is no test. After considering the starch one, the test 2 considered starch, the test 2 considered sunlight, it is proved starch is only produced in photosynthesis when sunlight is available. Okay. Sorry. Now there are many factors affecting photosynthesis: temperature, light, carbon dioxide, and water. Now, if the temperature is above 40 degrees Celsius, there is a decrease in photosynthesis, in the rate of photosynthesis. Okay. What happens exactly is the enzymes of photosynthesis function at a specific range of a temperature. Okay. The activity of enzymes decreases with the activity of enzymes decrease with decrease in temperature, and high temperature causes inactivation of of enzymes. What with decrease in temperature and high temperature causes inactivation in on enzymes. Oh, the activity of enzymes increases with decrease in temperature, and high temperature causes inactivation of enzymes. Above 40 degrees Celsius, there is a decrease in the rate of photosynthesis. Okay. Then light. Rate of photosynthesis is the rate of photosynthesis is low under low light intensity. The rate of photosynthesis increases with the increase in light intensity up to a certain limit. At very high light intensity, the rate of photosynthesis is decreased. Okay, so if we take this color, okay, this is the intense. This much is the intensity which is low, which is low. This is the perfect amount of intensity, but very high intensity here, it decreases. In the green parts, it decreases. In the green part, the intensity decreases. Okay. Now the next one is carbon dioxide. Increase in carbon dioxide concentration in the atmosphere causes increase in the rate of photosynthesis. Okay, but a very high concentration of carbon dioxide is toxic to plants and inhibits photosynthesis. Inhibits means restricts. Okay. Water. The rate of photosynthesis is decreased if the plants are not supplied with required amount of water. The stomatal pores remain closed under water deficient conditions. As a result, CO2 will not enter the leaves. Okay. Now, why do the stomatal pore remain closed? They remain closed as stomatal pores cause transpiration, and the transpiration during transpiration plants lose a high amount of water. Okay, so it remains closed for the protection of the plant, just because it does not, but because it is closed, it is not open like this, it is closed. The stomatal pores are closed and carbon dioxide does not enter it. Okay, but carbon dioxide is a gas, and gas is, then how tight will it close? Is it enough to as a gas? No. Our hand is just this strong, can't even bite it off. Okay, then synthesis of nutrients other than carbohydrates. In addition to carbohydrates, plants also require other nutrients such as proteins and fats for their proper growth and development. These nutrients are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, not carbon dioxide. Okay, but synthesis of proteins also requires nitrogen. Though nitrogen is present in abundance in gaseous form in air, plants cannot use this free nitrogen. nitrogen can only be obtained in two ways by the plant. Some nitrogen fixing bacteria, example rhizobium, present in the soil fix the atmospheric nitrogen into a soluble form, which is then absorbed by the plant through the roots. Okay, farmers also add rich fertilizers to the soil, which increases its fertility, and those rich fertilizers are rich in nitrogen. Okay, so that was all for today's video. Bye and have a nice day. Please like and subscribe and share the video if you found it informational.